Did you know our team at Drayton Valley Ford can cut keys for you? Our team of experienced and professional parts advisors can cut a key for you any day. We can also program these for you as well. Come on down to our parts department and we'll show you behind the scenes on how it's done. Kate shows you how they carefully cut the key to match the original key perfectly. Using this machine, this helps the team get a seamless fit for your keys. Once your new key is placed, the old key is ready to be matched. The machine is turned on and the cutting begins. As you can see, it follows the grooves and points of the key perfectly. Lastly, we make sure the key isn't too sharp, so we buff out any sharp edges. Be sure to visit our team today to get your key cut at any time. Contact us for any quotes or details you might need.